Hello guys, good afternoon. We are outside here at the door. We are here at the balcony. I'm just sitting down here, just relax for a while since I'm very busy just now. So I would like to share with you guys that is the Malaysia now is really good. They feel better than like before. So I'm hoping that we already have a COVID-19 free. So everyone, at least everyone can go out. The other is already open, but the rest is open, but the rest is closed. Not really, they are not allowed to do the very crowded place, like cannot bring the children, cannot bring the small baby, but try to avoid not to bring the babies outside. So it's really, try to keep inside, try to keep distance, wear the mask, everything, try to be a hygienic, because now it's not easy to do the virus, all these things. So and the at least now is the Malaysia is going to be good, it's better. But the only one thing, a lot of Malaysians very sad because of the Singapore never open yet. So somehow they are working there, they are, they spend the money from, they are working, and then they have to, they have to pay everything, the bill, they have to survive. So the Singapore, we are hoping that they are open now. So all well, very sad because of the Singapore never open yet. So they are not allowed to enter from the Malaysia, from the overseas. So we are very sad for that, because the everyone is working for to survive. So Singapore only give the works for them. So we are pray and hoping that the Singapore is open, the immigration is open, so at least they can work, because some of the workers is no job now, especially the rental, they cannot pay. Like us, we have a business of a rental, so we feel sad for them also, because we also lost the money, they also lost the job, then how they are going to pay? So what we can do, we have to wait that we go back to better everything, because they are working there, they have to pay the rental, so we cannot accept them also that they are not paying the rental. So we do want them to be free, the rental also. So what we can do is just, like we pray hard, we keep distance for everyone, so try to, wear mask, everything, and then not going to be crowded place. So we are hoping that the Singapore is open the immigration, then everyone can go to work. They are started to work, sorry, the motorbike is noisy. So everyone is survive working in Singapore. So we are hoping that the Singapore is open from this moment. So I hope the Singapore is also COVID-19 free. So we are hoping and waiting for that. So the news last time is they are going to open on June 19, but reopening the some of the places only, but they do never confirm yet the immigration whether they want to open or not. So that's why we have to pray and we have to good luck, because everyone is need to do survive. From the Singapore we need to work, from the Singapore we have to keep the money. From now on, a lot of people learning that we have to save the money, because we like to spend the money, especially us, we have to spend the money, especially me. So we have the rental rooms, the business, but it's not really big business, but it's big, but it's small. Then we have to, wait for them that we have to pay. Some they have to talk to us. Oh, sorry, we cannot pay this month. Sorry, we can pay only half month. Sorry, we cannot pay by 2 months. We feel sad also, because we also need the money. So we cannot force them to pay. We cannot force them to pay to pay, that they also do job. Then how we want to see it? Some of the company of Singapore, they never give the job also. They ask them to stop, ask them to go back in Malaysia, or whoever in the OFW ask them to go back on the Philippines or whatever. So they cut off the working permit. Whoever go to holiday, then the time COVID-19 came, some of the employer also they cut the permit. So they don't want to renew some. So some few of the company, they like to cut the working permit, like some of the company the fee have. So we are hoping and pray that the Singapore is going to be okay. Everything will be okay. So we are very sad. We are very sad. We are very sad that the tenant also cannot pay the rental. You know, we have to learn from that. We need to save the money. No need to spend too much. Save money at least. We learn from now that it's not easy. That no job in the Singapore. You know, because everyone is working in Singapore, so we are praying for that. You know, so the Malaysia now is going to be better. Going to open very good now. After that, for the few months only, it's not easy. That no job, it's not easy. Like us, we have to wait for them to pay. At least we earn something. But the only one thing, we also feel bad. Half month only, you know, like never pay also some. So they have to cut. They have to go out from the house because they cannot pay. So we are pray and we are praying. We are praying that they can do everything, that they can pay. You know, they can handle to them, and then they need to survive. We need to survive. We are praying that the Singapore is going to be open. Okay. So but we are hoping, guys. You know, the Malaysia is now okay already. It's better. That the Singapore is not yet first. So, but the Singapore, they're trying to open by June 19, more than that, or maybe next month. I'm hoping they can open as soon as possible, because a lot of Malaysian, a lot of the foreigners working in Singapore, they're waiting and hoping from Singapore. So we are praying for that and hoping that the Singapore is going to open, because it's not easy if the Singapore is not going to open. Okay guys, we have to pray for that. Thank you. Hello guys, we are here. So we have a messy bun now for my hair. So we would like to talk about the COVID-19 in Malaysia. I hope already free. So everyone is praying to open the Singapore. So we are hoping, guys, that now for this moment, I hope next month already going back to normal. Then everyone also can going to work, because that's why I'm talking the previous one, that everyone is working and hoping for Singapore. They need to survive also. Now some of the company in Singapore, they don't want to accept all the workers. They also they want to impeachment. So that's why it's very sad for everyone. Okay, so we would like to pray and everyone should be okay. The survival is not steady. It's really sad for them, you know, nowadays. But this time it's very sad for them. Okay, no job, no, they need to survive. The children need to eat. Because normally in Malaysia is one person only working. Most of them that I get to know, about 80%. Okay, so some of them is not working, then only one person working for them. So we are hoping and pray for that moment, that everyone can open, can survive, you know, can back to normal, can recover. So, you know, everyone cannot pay the rental. You know, we have a tenant that going out already from here because they cannot pay the rental. So we allow them, never mind, it's okay. But some also will say that we cannot pay this month first, they will pay by next month, like that. But we don't allow, because we do want for next month again. It's very difficult for them to pay, you know. So talking about the rental, whoever rent, so from this moment it's very seldom, it's very low, the market now. So there is no rent, nobody rent, then nobody buy the house also, you know. It's very difficult. So that's why we are praying, you know, everyone's going back to Singapore, going back to normal. For other country working, if they are going back to normal, it's really fantastic, and they can manage everything, all the payment, all the bill, they can manage. So we pray for that, you know, for them. So we need to pray hygienic, wear the mask, don't go out for so long in the mall. The children try not to bring first, because but this time we need to avoid. So no, we have to pray. We have to, you know, we need our limit. Everyone need a limit, you know. So we are trying our best that the Malaysia is going back to normal, and Singapore 100% we are hoping back to normal. And because some of the workers here is waiting in Singapore to open. So I'm hoping that we can manage to this, So everyone, guys, I'd advise only please save money, because one day we don't have job, so sure we don't have money also. So money is for everything, as my experience. So money is for everything. Just save, that's all. No need to worry. After that, if they're closed or you don't want to work, so at least you got money. So we are very sad for them. I have a Tina that, she said that, oh, we cannot work ED. Our company impeach us already, cannot work anymore. Okay, never mind. I say, let you go. So she going out, and then we take the kid. Then after that, we need to find a new tenant again. So it's not easy to find a tenant also nowadays. So we pray hard that all back to normal because of the COVID-19, Because of the COVID-19, a lot of people now is really suffering. That is my experience. We cannot go out. We cannot go and bring the people who are viewing the house. We cannot do anything, but we can do only at the house. Most of the children also are working at the online. What if the people cannot buy the laptop? If the people only using the phone, because laptop and the phone is totally different. So it's really, very difficult. It's very difficult. So try our best to be distance first. Don't go to the pub. I think the pub is very fun, very difficult now. So try your best not to go to the crowded place. Try your food also outside. We better check properly. So we already experienced this kind of matter. Better be careful. Better be careful. We cannot do anything if already close everything. So we cannot work. We don't have money. So what some is they have a big business, so we can, we cannot ask them to help us if we don't have anything. So we are hoping and pray for that all the Malaysians, if more who are working in Singapore, if the Singapore is back to normal, is already back to normal, everyone's also, they are happy for that. So from this moment, for a few months, about March, April, May, these 3 months really, suffering to everyone. They need to budget the food. They need to budget the rental. They need to budget how to do this, to do that. The water bill, because most of them is staying at home, the water bill also become high. The electricity bill also become high. So it's not easy for that. That is what I react for the COVID-19. My reaction on that is really horrible. We cannot do anything if we close it. Just pray, respect each other. Cannot go to the crowded place. Try your best not to go to the crowded place, because crowded place is very horrible. Everyone there is, the dirty place, don't go. And the children don't bring outside first. Never mind, don't go out first. The children cannot bring out. So it's not easy also that the children kena, no? I mean, kena the COVID-19. Kena means effective, that one, It's not easy. So we don't like also the children, we kena that, because the immune system is very low. So it's not easy for them, So try to avoid the children to bring outside, because it's not easy, For us, it's okay, we are already grown up, So for them, it's too small. The immune system is very low. So try your best not to bring the children outside. That's all. So anything, if back to normal, everyone is happy. But if back to normal, try to save the money, because it's not easy, no money, We cannot buy this, we cannot do this, especially like me, we need to, support the family. We have to try, we have to understand each other, that try to avoid, not to so near, don't go far to go to the crowded place, to the mall. Try your best, guys, not to, don't go to the far place, So we cannot do anything. So here in Malaysia is big, so the place is very far, it's not really crowded place, it's not really crowded. So we try our best not too near to everyone, you know. So now going to rain, sorry for that. So try, you know, we are praying for that everyone should be okay. The raining. Wait. Raining. So guys, now it's raining. So see how is it now the Malaysia? Ah, the Malaysia is big, so we can, you know, try your best for this moment. So we pray hard, you know, we need to understand each other. The don't go to the crowded place, you know. We try our best, you know. Okay guys. Hello guys. Good afternoon. I'm outside here. Hey, look at that. Hello guys. Okay, we're talking about the COVID-19 in Malaysia. So now is everything will be fine, okay? We have to pray and we have to do our hygienic, wear the mask when we want to go out. Don't go too near to the when you go to the shopping mall. And now try not to go to the salon first because now dangerous. So now very hot. Sorry guys. So I'm just stand by here all my flowers, my plants. So we are hoping but that next week we are going to open my